Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on BitGet. It's pretty simple and easy. Once you have signed up, you can go ahead and buy crypto by toggling on this buy crypto button at the top. So you can either pay with your currency here, buying with credit debit card, Visa, MasterCard, bank deposit, P2P trading. These two has 0 fees, so maybe bank deposit would be the best. And there are some other options. So let's, for example, choose bank deposit. So that's pretty much it, how you can deposit fiat money. Now, you can also deposit crypto from some other exchange like Binance, for example. So you can toggle on this wallet button at the top, and then you click deposit. And from here, you're going to select the coin which you want to deposit. So for example, USDT. You're going to choose a network, and for example, let's choose Ethereum network. And now you will get your address. So you need to go ahead and copy this address and send it from, for example, Binance. So on Binance, you would need to click withdraw, select the same coin, the same network, Ethereum, and enter the address from BitGet. And then you're just gonna click withdraw. That's basically how you buy cryptocurrency, either deposit it from some other exchange or buy a fiat money, basically deposit it via bank deposit, select the currency. Basically, you will get your fiat money here, and after that, you will be able to go ahead and buy crypto. So that's basically it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.